Hey guys, today I'm heading to Naneghat. So Naneghat has some historic importance in Maharashtra. So let's head there and I'll give you a few more details on the way. Starting from that point and now I'm here on top of this mountain. And that is Talish Resort where I have been staying for the last 2 nights. And as you can see, it's very beautifully located with all beautiful scenery all around. So I've trekked for around 10 minutes. So that's Naneghat. That's the first view what I got of Naneghat, and now I'm heading towards that place. Guys, I've trekked for almost 1 hour and now I see that it's close to me but still very far. Managed to reach Naneghat. So if you have seen my previous blog, I was staying at Talish, and this place is exactly 1.5 hours trek from that place. So this is the pass which was used during ancient times, probably in the 200 BC, for commutation of goods from Mumbai to Junnar. Junnar was the trading capital of this place, and here is a coin box. And this coin box was used to collect the coins as a toll for this place. So as we go ahead, I'll give you more details. So these are the steps which you see if somebody is coming from Mumbai. I have travelled from Pune, so I took that route. If somebody is coming from Mumbai, they have to come to Kalyan, then to a place called Murbad. From Murbad, you can come to this place, and you can see the stairs which will take you right up to this place. So guys, this is a cave, and I guess it can accommodate at least 20 to 30 people, and you can also organize a party here provided you don't spoil the place. As of now it's very clean, but I don't know, otherwise I'm sure if people party here they would be ruining it and somebody is cleaning it up. So if you see, there is some, these are Brahmi Lipis which is there on the rocks, which had been written, long ago. We need to research on what it is actually. Guys, this is Nilesh. Hi. And he had helped me, explore this place Nane Ghat. He had told me the importance of this place, that this is a historic place and all those things. I was not aware of this. So this is a man you should go to if you are coming here. He'll be always there to help you out.
Thank you.
So guys, I hope you like this vlog and do visit such places. It's right here in Maharashtra and I would want everybody to explore such places. So if you like this vlog, do like, share and subscribe to this channel. Bye.